How to change Outlook profile picture. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for outlook.live.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Outlook. Log into Outlook if you haven't already and now tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. You will see the option for settings. Tap on that and now on the general, tap on account. You will see the option for view account. Tap on that and now tap on change photo and then on change photo again. Select from where you want to change the photo from. You have options such as photo library, take a new photo or choose from a file. Once the picture is selected, tap on done and then tap on save. With this, your picture will be saved in Outlook successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.